everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with the haul. I haven't shown a haul in 4 months, so I thought I would show you some of the items that I've been purchasing recently and some within the last 4 months. So anyways, went over to Cuddle Me Clay Tay's shop, and she has a shop on coffee, and that's where she sells her flowers, dyes, and other items. And this is one of the items that she sells, and I love them. I want one in each color that she has. Actually, more than one. So when I go over there and I see these, I just grab what she has because I love these. Love her flowers, and I've been hoarding those, but I'm going to try and use some of those this year. But anyways, I'm going to leave her link down below. And make sure you head over to her shop and purchase you some of these goodies because I love them. I love these little baby breasts. She has tan and then she has the pink, but I've seen that she uses like purple and whatever other color she has, and believe me, if she has them in her shop, they're good as gone. I'm going to purchase every last one of them. But that's what I have there. I also forgot to share this. She had that little flower tool. Well, actually, it's like a, I forgot what it's called, but this has a little slit in it so to where you can roll some flowers. And so that's what I got. That's what I purchased it for anyways. But I was happy that she had that in there and was a good price. Then I went over to Joann's, and they had some stuff on clearance. And so I was able to get some cleaner there. Hampton Art. $1.97, that's what I picked that up for. Then I also found some at Hobby Lobby, and I picked some up. This one's for Stays On. Back to Joann's, I seen a couple of these, and I picked these up for my hot foil machine, so I was glad to find those. And then also some Stays On pigment ink. I've never had that before, and so this is black, and I was glad to pick that up. So that's my first. I'll give it a try after a while, but not quite yet. Then I went by Dollar Tree, Crafter Square. I was burning my fingers up one day terribly with the hot glue, so I said I better pick up these finger protectors. So I got that. They also had some decorative cardstock, and this is glitter cardstock, and I love the way it looks. And it's a nice weight, 100 pounds. Very nice. So I picked up a few of those, 3 of them. And then I also found these, and this is a 100-pound cardstock as well. And I like the colors. And they have a dark blue on there. I don't know if you can tell it. Looks like black, what I'm showing. But there's a dark blue, black, teal or turquoise, and then pink. And so I picked up 3 of those. And then my husband and I were in Chicago, and I finally got a chance to visit Craft Fancy, but I really limited myself on just these 2 items. I fell in love with the art glitter glue, so I picked up the big refill. And then also I picked up this paper, this little ladybug paper by Lori Whitlock. It's so cute, and you have been seeing me use that, but I thought I would share where I got it from. And My Creative Time had a retirement sale, so I picked up only 3 items from there, I do believe. And I picked up this mini gift box, so I'll be using that soon. I also picked up the tall scallop frames. Really like these. Hopefully I'll get around to using that. And I really wanted this treat envelope die, and so I picked up that as well. And I ended up picking this up from Hobby Lobby. I ended up picking up this. I wanted a small, tiny punch for my tags, and it is tiny. Let me just show you how tiny that punch is. Look at that. It's so tiny. I've been wanting a small punch, so this was perfect. And then it just stores your little confetti right in there. But I was so glad to pick that up. And then CC Designs had a sale. Oh, it's been about 3 months ago now. I picked up this word snow. And this one says Joelle. And this one says Joy and no L. So I picked those up. And then I picked up these little, they're little snowman inchies. I don't have the stamp set, but Gloria does. So she's going to stamp some out for me, and I'm just going to copy them in my printer so I can have as much as I want and cut them out with the dies. Then Whimsy Stamps had a very nice sale, and so I went over there and I picked up a few items. And all of these are photopolymer stamps. So got this one. And you can turn these into like ornaments. So I thought those were really cute. Use a punch or punch them out and just leave it as a sentiment. So that was really nice. And I picked up this one. And this was Magic Willflowers. And I really like the shape of these. I thought these would be perfect for a circle card. So that one. I picked up this one, Jam Pack. And I thought it was really cute. I really like this image here. And that's what I basically got it for there. Really nice. And I love the look of these snowmans. I love their images. I mean, the cards that they made for these images. Just super cute, so had to get it. And then I went ahead and got this one, and this one's called Sketchy Florals. And I thought it was really pretty, their images that they had. And so I picked this one up. And here goes the dies that I picked up. And I tell you, the prices were really good. I don't remember what they were now, but I know they were really good. Straight Edgers die set. And I like how the cards look that they had on display there. So really like that. This is, I think it's Lovely or You Are Loved. Something like that. What is it? You Are Word Die Set. But I think it's You Are and Your or something like that. I can't remember. I always take snapshots of pictures from where I'm purchasing stuff from if they're on clearance so that I can have something to refer back to on what it was. And so I can look at my pictures that I snapshot. And then they also had this truck die. I thought it was really cute because it was kind of whimsical. And so I picked that one up. I also picked up, I think this one's Loved, Lovely, and Love. So picked that one up. And then this one was Best Friend. I just found another My Creative Dime stamp set that I picked up too. So I picked up that during that sale. Okay, and then on this last Spellbinder sale, the spring sale or something like that they had, this is what I got. I almost went back for another dip, but I was just like, that's enough. So anyways, I think this was $1, the thank you die. And I hadn't picked up this yet, so it was half price, I think, or I got it for $8. And so I got this Sunflower Serenade, and so I was glad to pick that up. This was on sale the day I got it. And this was after this sale, but I wanted this so bad, and I went ahead, picked it up, used my points for that, and I ended up paying $11. I want to say for the die with my points, or you can say it paid for the shipping, but yeah, I was so excited to get that. And then this was one of their club sets, Small Die of the Month, and really like those. And I picked up this one, the Glitter Wishes, and that had a lot to use on there. Love this, and you've seen this used a couple times in some of my cards. I love this. This was $1. That was the best buy. All of these embossing folders were $1, and they're 5x7, I think, 5.5 by 8.5. So that's a nice size. Used for any size card. A2 5x7 cards. Really nice. That one was called Party Spots. The other one was called Beveled Diamonds. And this one's called Hand Drawn Scallops. And I like that one too. And then I got this for my hot foil machine. I have been wanting that. And I don't remember what the price was. And then this one, I thought this was the embossing folder. And instead, it's a huge stencil. What am I going to use that for? I have no clue. It might be in the trash after a while. I don't know. But it was $1. So I don't know what I'm going to use this for. And this was one more item I had picked up from Joanne. It was 97 cents, and you got 3 in the pack. So there was 560 pieces for one, and you know, do the math. I thought that was such a good buy, and so I really picked that up with the quickness. This is my most recent haul. I seen, I want to say Live, Love, Scrap. I think that's her channel name. I seen her do a haul for iCrafter. I had never heard of iCrafter. And so I went over and they had a really good sale. Shipping was kind of crazy, but you do the math with the purchases that you have, you know, you're still paying a good price. And so I picked up this set here, 15 dies in this set, but I love this, it's like comic strip dies. I don't know the name of it, I don't see it, but I really liked how it looked, and then you can see how the words look on there. These were only $5. Love these. They're normally $39.99. Great price. And so I had to pick these up. Matter of fact, I got 5 of them. And they fit into the containers for your daubers, those little smaller daubers. They do touch the top just a hair, but I said I can make it work. So I am so glad I picked up those, got 3 of those. This was the best buy ever. I am so happy I picked up these plates because I was down to 3 for my Sizzix, and I just can't stand spending the money for the plates. Now they are a slight bit thinner than your Sizzix plates, but they still work. They work in that machine, and I had a freestyle machine that I needed plates for, and they work in there too. So that was the best buy ever. These were $2. And so the shipping, you know, if you buy just 1 or 2 plates, it's going to be $12. But if you buy multiple plates, like I did, I got 3 of the turquoise and 3 of the pink. And I should have gotten more because they were $2. And I want to say that shipping for it was $12. So for everything that I got. And so it was still a good price. Okay. And so here's some more items that I picked up from iCrafter. I did go back and purchase a few more things, and I think I'm going to go back once more, but not sure. But anyway, so I got this to go with my set of, let me show you. I got it to go with this set. I forgot to purchase these the first time, so I went back to go pick them up again. And so this is called Comic Halftone Dots. So that's where they're getting that from. But this goes with that set, so I thought I would pick that up. And then this one too, called Cosmic Flare. And I can use this not only for, you know, with those dies, but I can use it as a sunset or whatever. So I wanted to get that. And I had been looking at this set, this little bike. I don't have the base, but you can make a card without the base. And I was checking out some of their pictures on that site, so I went ahead and got that. I thought it was really cute. It is a little bit smaller than what I had anticipated, but still cute. And then and these were exceptional prices. The shipping is high, but exceptional prices. And then I got this set here. Very cute. Okay, and then I also picked up some more blender brushes. When I went back this time, they had the smaller packs where you can buy 2 in a pack, and they were 50 cents. And these brushes are very nice. So I wanted to get every color, and so what I did was I went and swatched all of my distress inks and found out that I have like 60 some distress inks, and I want a blender brush to go with each. So I'll probably be going back and purchasing some more so that I can have enough. So, and then I won't have to even worry about daubers anymore. I like these better. But I love these. So we got like an aqua color, yellow, red, pink, blue, purple, orange, and green. And then they also come with clear, so you can make that any color. And then the last thing that I picked up from there were these grip tweezers, and these have a flat tip, so hopefully it won't make a mark in my papers. And that is about it. I know it was quite a big haul, so I'm glad you stuck with me if you stayed with me this long. So that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.